Hey guys, it's taking a bit longer to install the kit in the pack than I thought, so I thought I'd create another teaser video for you. And while I'm at it, I can show you some of the things that I've been doing, so it will help you when it comes time to install the kit in your own pack. So, first thing I'll show you here is the thrower. You can see I've been cleaning up the inside of it, and the gun ear here is broken off, so I got to glue that back on. And obviously I'm missing the acrylic tube there. I got that over there. That'll be going in there soon enough. But the thing I wanted to show you about the thrower here is the rear of the handle. My friend, whose pack this is, has always had problems with the hose pulling out of the handle. So we had wrapped some black electrical tape around the hose and tried to use like a friction fit to keep it in there, but it didn't work very well. So he'd also put duct tape all over the back of this, so I had to clean off all the duct tape residue off the hose, and then I drilled a little hole back here, and I put a set screw in, and the set screw holds the hose in because the end that's inside the handle is all wrapped in electrical tape, so it ain't coming out. So now that problem's been solved. I'll open up the pack here so you can see how the rest of the install looks. So on this pack, the cyclotron LEDs will be connected to the power cell over here by a cable, because this pack has flashlight lenses in the cyclotron. On your pack, you could install like a plate here and put the LEDs right on there, and then there will be nothing connected to that when you pull the top off. You can do whichever you prefer, it doesn't really matter. But the original packs had a plate on top of the speaker there. But I prefer the method with the flashlight lenses myself. Now down here, he had the same problem on this end. The hose would always come out, so I ended up putting a little C-clamp on there, and I just screwed it down to one of the bolts that holds the backpack frame on. And that also has electrical tape wrapped around there, so that ain't going anywhere either. This here is the cable that goes through the hose. That's the only cable that goes through this hose. But I haven't run it through yet because I haven't finished cleaning up the inside of the thrower. So this is what it will look like when you have the kit installed in there. There's one exception. There's a potentiometer here for the volume control. And the potentiometers, or one of the potentiometers that I bought the test with, the threads weren't long enough to go through the aluminum motherboard, so I have to use this style of potentiometer instead, and I haven't soldered that up yet so that it can be used, but I installed it to try out the knob and make sure it can be reached when you reach around the back for your pack. And the power switch is right there too, so you can just reach around the back and access that as well. Over on this side, I've got a charge port for the battery. This is the battery pack up here. These are the ones that I recommend from Amazon. They have the round cells inside, and they seem like they're very, very high quality, so they probably won't have issues like the blue Chinese batteries off of eBay, which seem to use recycled pouch cells. So let's see, what else? The power cell here. You notice it's standing up on little legs. I'm going to be offering those little legs for sale with the kit as well on my website. So you can install your power cell that way. You could attach the power cell to the other half of the shell, but obviously this method makes it a lot easier to pull the shell off, and you don't have to worry about disconnecting the cable that goes to the power cell when you do that. So I think that's about it. I'll just put the top back on here, so see how easy this goes in. First I gotta take the working cable, which is in the way, and shove that into there. And tuck that out of the way. And it's just that easy. But not many of you have seen a pack go together that easily. So, the final video with the actual lights and demo and everything will be out in another couple days probably. I don't know if I'll be able to get it done by tomorrow, but we'll see. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed it.